Michael Saylor's Bitcoin Playbook Backfires on 100-plus companies. Bitcoin. Michael Saylor. Strategy. Digital asset treasury companies copying Michael Saylor's Bitcoin strategy have seen median stock prices drop 43% year-to-date despite broader market gains, as debt obligations expose structural flaws. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Has also written Michael Saylor's Bitcoin Playbook Backfires on 100-plus companies. Bitcoin price prediction. Year-end $100,000 target alive. Here are the 3 drivers that matter. CoinShares debunks Tether collapse fears after Hayes warning. Kwon sentencing. U.S. wants 12 years for Terra's $40 billion crash. Polymarket to launch in-house trading desk that bets against users. Report. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. Just now. Digital asset treasury companies that rush to copy Michael Saylor's Bitcoin strategy are now hemorrhaging shareholder value, with median stock prices down 43% year-to-date, even as the broader market climbs higher. As per Bloomberg, more than 100 publicly traded companies transformed themselves into cryptocurrency holding vehicles in the first half of 2025, borrowing billions to buy digital tokens while their stock prices initially soared past the value of the underlying assets they purchased. The strategy seemed unstoppable until market reality delivered a harsh correction. Strategy's model spawns industry-wide collapse. Strategy Incorporated's Michael Saylor pioneered the approach of converting corporate cash into Bitcoin holdings, transforming his software company into a publicly traded cryptocurrency treasury. The model worked spectacularly through the mid-2025, attracting high-profile investors, including the Trump family. SharpLink Gaming epitomized the frenzy. The company pivoted from traditional gaming operations, appointed an Ethereum co-founder as chairman, and announced massive token purchases. Its stock exploded 2,600% within days before crashing 86% from peak levels, leaving total market capitalization below the value of its Ethereum holdings at just 0.9 times crypto reserves. Bloomberg data tracking 138 U.S. and Canadian digital asset treasuries shows the median share price has fallen 43% year-to-date, dramatically underperforming Bitcoin's modest 7% decline. In comparison, the S&P 500 gained 6% and the Nasdaq 100 rose 10%. Strategy shares have dropped 60% from their July highs, even as they have risen by more than 1,200% since the company began buying Bitcoin in August 2020. Investors took a look and understood that there's not much yield from these holdings rather than just sitting on this pile of money. B. Riley Securities analyst Fedor Shabalin told Bloomberg, debt obligations expose structural flaws. The fundamental problem plaguing these companies stems from how they fund cryptocurrency purchases. Strategy and its imitators issued massive amounts of convertible bonds and preferred shares, raising over $45 billion across the industry to acquire digital tokens that generate no cash flow. These debt instruments carry substantial interest and dividend obligations that cryptocurrency holdings cannot service, creating a structural mismatch between liabilities that require regular payments and assets that produce zero income. Strategy faces annual fixed obligations of approximately $750 million to $800 million tied to preferred shares. Companies that avoided Bitcoin for smaller, more volatile cryptocurrencies suffered the steepest losses. Alt5 Sigma, backed by 2 Trump sons and planning to purchase over $1 billion in World Liberty Financial's WLFI token, has crashed more than 85% from its June peak. Strategy attempted to address funding concerns by raising $1.44 billion in dollar reserves through stock sales, covering 21 months of dividend payments. Saylor admits potential Bitcoin sales. The industry now faces its defining moment. Strategy CEO Fong Lu acknowledged the company would sell Bitcoin if needed to fund dividend payments, specifically if the firm's market value falls below its cryptocurrency holdings. Those comments sent shockwaves through the digital asset treasury sector, given Saylor's repeated insistence that Strategy would never sell, famously joking in February to, "Sell a kidney if you must, but keep the Bitcoin." At December's Binance Blockchain Week, Saylor outlined the revised approach, stating that when our equity is trading above the net asset value of the Bitcoin, we just sell the equity. But when the equity's trading below the value of the Bitcoin, we would either sell Bitcoin derivatives or we would just sell the Bitcoin. The reversal raises fears of a downward spiral where forced crypto sales push token prices lower, further pressuring treasury company valuations and potentially triggering additional selling. Strategy's monthly Bitcoin accumulation has collapsed from 134,000 BTC at the 2024 peak to just 9,100 BTC in November, with only 135 BTC added so far in December. The company now holds approximately 650,000 BTC, valued at over $56 billion, representing more than 3% of Bitcoin's maximum supply. Market participants worry that leveraged traders using borrowed money to invest in these companies could face margin calls, forcing broader market sell-offs. Strategy has created a $1.4 billion reserve fund to cover near-term dividend payments, but shares remain on track for a 38% decline this year despite the company's massive Bitcoin holdings. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP. XRP buying spree starting. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? December 5, 2025. 1 day ago. By Seed Fatal Payzik. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutions pile in as staking hits 3.1 M SOL. Could SOL overtake Bitcoin in 2026? 1 day ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BlackRock's Larry Fink says sovereign wealth funds are quietly buying Bitcoin. Will their bid push BTC past $100,000? 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago. By Ben Beto.